Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway C box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Artifacts double box break number 8. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. So the serial number on the first box is NE200035282. That's NE200035282. In the other box, a little bit hard to see the plastic. So cut it first. We can see the serial number. The serial number on this one is NE200035275. That's NE200035275. We'll start off with the first box. So good luck, everybody. A short print base, 15/99 of Luke Adam for the Sabres. Treasure Swatches jersey of Jimmy Howard for the Red Wings. Artifacts hit for the Panthers of Sean Matthias. Thunder Tandems dual jersey of Mike Gardner and Ryan Callahan for the Rangers. Rookie for the Hurricanes, Ryan Murphy, short print 58/85. Team Canada card of Joe Sakic for the Avalanche, 68/999. A short print rookie of Johan Larsson for the Sabres, 55/299. Card goes to Buffalo. Buffalo is on the card. Short print base, 679/999, and Mika Kaprizov for the Flames. We got a rookie redemption for the Hurricanes. And the last pack. We got a rookie jersey of Quinton Howden for the Panthers. It is numbered 63/125. And there's the first box. On to the second. Short print base, 33 out of 99 of Bernie Parent for the Flyers. Got a dual jersey rookie for the Canucks of Jordan Schroeder. It is number 90 out of 125. Autofacts hit for the Flyers of Nicholas Grossman. We got a ton of sixes of Claude Giroux, Scott Hartnell, Matt Reed, Braden Shen, Daniel Briere, and Sean Couturier. That guard goes to the Flyers. Nice hits for Philadelphia. Got a rookie for the Stars of Jamie Alexiak. 813 out of 999. Short print base of Robin Leonard for the Senators, 775 out of 999. Short print rookie for the Panthers of Nick Bugstad, 77 out of 85. A Team Canada, 735 out of 999 of Evander Kane. That card goes to the Jets. And a couple packs left. Got a rookie redemption for the Blue Jackets. And we have a dual jersey, 90 out of 125 for the Kings of Justin Williams. And there we go. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.